I'm here today with Elva Fonseca of Sensational Organizing Services. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Could you talk to me a little bit about your company and the area that you service?
Sure. Yes. My business is a full-service professional organizing service. I go to people's homes and I help them declutter, I help them organize, and I help them find solutions with their priorities in mind. The areas that I service are the portions of the Inland Empire and some portions of the San Gabriel Valley.
If you have some formal training or certifications, could you talk me through that?
Sure. Yes. When I first started 3 years ago, I did some training through Profitable Organizer. My most recent training is through NAPO, the National Association of Professional Organizing. And I have been with them for about a year, and it has been a tremendous asset to my business. And how I'm able to service my clients and understand their needs a little deeper.
Fantastic. What do you think is the biggest stressor for your clients?
So the biggest stressor for my clients is having too much stuff, not being able to find the things they need when they need them, spending too much time searching for things. Not knowing how to get rid of things and what to do with them is the biggest stressor I find.
What kind of solutions vendors do you partner with?
I like to partner with solutions vendors that help me deliver solutions on how to part with things in a feel-good way. And I feel like MaxSold definitely helps me do that. Clients oftentimes hold on to things because they have some value, although they no longer use them. They don't make them happy, but there's that factor of I spent money on it. So MaxSold allows me to help them part with things in a feel-good way.
So could you describe to me how your experience with MaxSold has been so far?
Oh, it has been great working with MaxSold. From the moment that I made contact with MaxSold, they have walked me through the process. They have been very accommodating to my request. And when I email, I get quick responses. It was also a breeze and a relief for my clients as well, that they made the process so easy for them. And most of, or everything that was actually put on the MaxSold site sold, and my client was able to downsize quickly and easily, and it felt great at the end of the process. So my experience with MaxSold has been great.
Thanks so much, Elva, for sitting down and chatting with me today. It's been a real pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.